We left off on, we clicked next 5 times for religion. Go ahead all the way to the bottom after you click next 5 times in the e-text, and we're going to go ahead and listen to religion.
Religion. In ancient times, most people worshipped many gods. But beginning around 600 BCE, a Persian man known as Zoroaster taught that there is one supreme god, Ahura Mazda, who has an evil opponent. Over time, Zoroaster's beliefs developed into the religion Zoroastrianism. Zoroastrianism eventually became the official religion of the empire, although conquered people could worship their own gods. The sacred text of Zoroastrianism is the Avesta, which includes prayers, hymns, and other writings. Zoroastrianism's central belief is that the universe is in a state of struggle between the forces of good and evil. Zoroastrians believe that people have an important role to play in this conflict by working for good. They also believe in the existence of an afterlife. Historians think that these teachings later influenced Judaism, Christianity, and Islam.
All right, we are now looking at page 9 in your digital notebook. I'm going to click next to go to the next page in the e-text. The first question we are going to look at when I get rid of this will be in this blue highlighted paragraph. Art from ancient Mesopotamia gave us a glimpse into what? Let's go ahead and listen.
Arts of Mesopotamia. Unlike art produced by earlier world cultures, the arts of ancient Mesopotamia give us a glimpse of daily life, as you saw on the Standard of Ur. They show people engaged in different activities.
All right, again, arts from ancient Mesopotamia give us a glimpse into what? You will find that answer in that blue highlighted paragraph. All right, let's go ahead and listen to seals and sculptures. While we are listening, we're going to look for the answer to number 2, which is also a mastery check question. What is a stele? So let's go ahead and listen now.
Seals. The Sumerians often used carved stone seals to identify the owner of an object, especially before the development of cuneiform writing. A seal left the owner's personal mark, such as an animal or a geometric shape, stamped in clay. For example, a sack containing trade goods might be tied closed with a string. Then the owner would cover the knot with wet clay and stamp the clay with the seal. Some seals were shaped like cylinders or tubes. When rolled over wet clay, the seals left the image of an entire scene. Sculptures. Sumerians also carved statues of people that, for the first time in history, looked like real humans. Other peoples created a form of sculpture known as relief. In relief sculpture, the scene sticks out from the surface of the base material. Many relief sculptures were carved on stele. A stele is a carved stone slab or pillar that stands on end. A famous example is the stele of Hammurabi. At the top of this stele is a relief showing Hammurabi and the Babylonian god Shamash. Below the relief is Hammurabi's code, carved in cuneiform. The Assyrians created large, colorful reliefs on the sides of buildings. They decorated structures with colorful tiles and bricks that formed elaborate patterns and images of real and imagined animals. Assyrians also decorated walls with cone-shaped pieces of baked clay painted in white, black, and red.
Number 2, what is a stele? You'll find that answer in this yellowed circle sentence. Let's move on to page 10 of your digital notebook. Analyze the image. What you are looking at is this image right here. It is on page 64 in your textbook, or it is right here in your e-text. So creatures like this decorated many of the Assyrian palaces. What three types of beings make up this imaginary creature? What do you see here? You've got legs, you've got I'm going to say wings, but what kind of creature would have wings? You've got this. What do you see here? Give me 3 different things you see in this sculpture. Once you're done with that, you are finished with this lesson.